The Samsung Galaxy A30 comes with dual rear camera. Choose from two colors, black and blue. The phone is available with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, expandable up to 512GB. Both SIM slots support 4G Volt capability. The 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display provides an immersive experience. Unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor placed at the back. The 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual rear camera allows you to capture images in low light. The 16-megapixel front camera helps you take great selfies with portrait mode. The phone runs on Android Pie. The Exynos 7904 processor provides for an immersive entertainment experience. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery with Type-C fast charge. The box includes handset, earphones, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin, and user manual. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.